Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is March 13th, 2025. We're going to take a look at our blackberry bushes. Now, this is the Prime Arc Freedom cultivar. And right now, it's located in an understory location. What we've done is we've set and forget it, or we've set it and forgot it, if you will. But we're checking the health. We've had a little bit of rain throughout the winter, but these guys don't seem to like the winter weather very much. As you can see, the new growth is coming up, and these guys are hopefully gonna shoot off a bunch of shoots this year. We're trying to get it to where they produce and thrive on their own. But the clone from that particular bush is over here, which is incredibly doing better. Now this one is actually thrown off some flowers. Whether or not they've been pollinated, we will learn together. But I would imagine that some blackberries would come after these flowers have been pollinated. But yeah, this is the clone. It seems to be doing, pretty good on its own over here. Still in an understory location, understory of the oaks, pretty much. We have the live oaks over here, so they don't get a whole lot of direct sunlight. We are zones 9B, 10A border, so it does get frost here from time to time. But as you can tell, we've had an unusually cold winter, but it didn't affect these in a negative kind of way. They're totally just coming back on their own. Like I said, hopefully we get some real abundant growth this year so that we can start to, kind of build up like a hedge, if you will, or a nice big solid bush of these Prime Arc Freedom blackberries. They're thornless and they get big. Have we gotten any production out of these yet? No. The sand here is pretty much a 7 on the pH scale. So not a whole lot of stuff going into the soil other than the decomposing leaves and detritus that coagulate in these areas. I do not use fertilizers and I do not use pesticides. There is one pesticide that I would be willing to use on these if I absolutely had to, and it's called Spectracide Bug Stop. And there's a lot of reasons why that one is the one I trust. But going forward, hopefully these guys can show us some abundant stalk and leaf production this year, because that means next year we'll get a lot more opportunities for these flowers. We've got some more flowers coming up on that side too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these Prime Arc Freedom blackberries. Have a great day.